Namaste everyone. Today we are going to discuss about 19-Vyanjana Sandhi, which is a Namudagama Sandhi. What is the Namudagama Sandhi? We'll see the definition and with examples. What is Namudagama Sandhi? When the three nasal letters like Nyakara, Nakara and Nakara, these three nasal letters are Padanta or at the end of a Padam and preceded by a Hrasva Swara. Hrasva Swara means short vowel and followed by a Swara, which is a vowel. Then what will happen? The same letters which are at the Padanta, the same letter will get added additionally at the left hand side, which is a Agama will happen. Till now we have seen Adesha happened. Adesha means replacement. Now in this Sandhi, Agama is happening, which is the additional letter. We'll understand it better. Okay. The Namudagama Sandhi is the three nasal letters like Nyakara, Nakara and Nakara. These three nasal letters are Padanta or at the end of a Padam and preceded by a Hrasva Swara, which is a short vowel, and followed by a Swara, which is Ach. Ach means vowel. Then what will happen? Agama will happen. Agama means a new letter. A additional letter will get added at the left hand side. What is that additional letter? The same letter which is at the Padanta will get added additionally. If it is a Nakara, Nakara will get added additionally. So the definition is Purva Varna should be the nasal letter should be at the Padanta, and these three nasal letters should be at the Padanta and preceded by a Hrasva Swara and followed by a Swara. Then Agama will happen at the left hand side. The same letter which is at the Padanta will get added additionally at the left hand side. That's it. Now we'll see with examples. The examples are, first one is Pratyang plus Atma. What is the expansion for Pratyang? Pakara plus Repa plus A plus Takara plus Yakara plus A plus Nyakara. Here this is a typo error. Only one Nyakara is there. What is the expansion for Atma? A plus Takara plus Makara plus A. Now what our definition says? Is it satisfying all these conditions or not? We'll see. So our definition is the three nasal letters should be Padanta. So any of these three nasal letters. So this is of those three nasal letters which is at the Padanta and preceded by a Hrasva Swara, which is a short vowel. So A is a short vowel and followed by a Swara. So it is following A. So it satisfied all three conditions. Now what is the change? The change is Agama will happen at the left hand side. So the new letter is the same letter which is at the Padanta. This Nyakara will get added additionally at the left hand side. So this is the additional letter. And all the rest of the letters at the left hand side remain as it is. So on right hand side also nothing got changed. Everything remain as it is. The only change is the letter which is at the Padanta will get added additionally at the left hand side. That's it. And the rest of letters remain as it is. So Pratyang plus Atma became Pratyangatma. This is the first example. We'll see one more example. The second example is Tiryang plus Atra. What is the expansion for Tiryang? Takara plus E plus Repa plus Yakara plus A plus Nyakara. What is the expansion for Atra? A plus Takara plus Repa plus A. Now is it satisfying all three conditions or not? We'll check. So this is one of the three nasal letters, Nyakara. It satisfies that condition. The second condition is it should be preceded by a short vowel. So A is a short vowel. So this is condition also satisfied. The third condition is it should be followed by a vowel. So this A is a vowel. So it satisfied all three conditions. Now what is the change? The change is Agama will happen at the left hand side. what is that letter of agama? The one which is at the padanta. The same letter, this nyakara will get added additionally. That's it. It got added additionally at the left hand side, and all the other letters remain as it is at the left hand side and right hand side. Everything remain as it is. The only changes additional letter nyakara got added. That's it. So finally tiryang plus atra became tiryangatra. This is the second example. We'll see few more examples to understand better. The third example is Sugan plus Eva. What is the expansion for Sugan? Sakara plus U plus Gakara plus A plus Nyakara. What is the expansion for Eva? A plus Vakara plus A. Now, is it satisfying all three conditions or not? We'll check. So, this Nakara is one of those three nasal letters. That condition satisfied. The second condition is it should be preceded by a hrasva swara. So here A is a soft consonant. So that condition also satisfied. And the third condition is it should be followed by a swara. So it is following the letter A. So this example satisfied all these three conditions. Now the change is the additional letter, which is at the padanta. The same letter will get added additionally at the left hand side. And all the letters remain as it is at both sides. Nothing change happened. The only change is additional letter, which is at the padanta. The same letter got added additionally at the left hand side. So finally Sugan plus Eva became Suganneva. This is the third example. We'll see one last example. The last example is Tasmin plus Akshare. What is the expansion for Tasmin? Takara plus A plus Sakara plus Makara plus E plus Nakara. What is the expansion for Akshare? A plus Kakara plus Shakara plus A plus Repa plus A. Now, is it satisfying all these three conditions or not? This is one of those three nasal letters, which is Nakara, and it should be preceded by a hrasva swara, which is a short vowel. So E is a short vowel. It is preceding letter. That condition also satisfied. The third condition is it should be followed by a vowel. Here A is a vowel. So it satisfied all three conditions. Now what is the change? The change is Agama will happen at the left hand side. Agama, what is that letter of Agama? The one which is at the Padanta, which is Nakara here. The same Nakara will get added additionally at the left hand side. That's it. And all the letters remain as it is at both sides. Nothing got changed for the existing letters. The only change is a new letter, Agama, happened at the left hand side. That's it. So finally Tasmin plus Akshare became Tasmin Akshare. These are the hrasva swaras. A plus E plus U plus R plus L. You can make n number of examples with this definition, and then try to practice. Then it will be very easy for you. If you know the definition of a sandhi, definition of that particular sandhi, and the expansion of these words, then it is very easy for you to understand the sandhi. Now we'll see this definition once more and then end the class. So our definition is Namudagama Sandhi is when the three nasal letters like Nyakara, Nakara and Nakara are at the Padanta or at the end of a Padam and preceded by a hrasva swara, which is a short vowel, and followed by a Ach, which is a vowel. Then what will happen? Agama will happen. Agama means a new letter additionally will get added at the left hand side. What is that new additional letter? The letter which was at Padanta. The same letter will get added additionally. If it is Nakara, the same Nakara will get added additionally at the left hand side. and all the letters remain as it is at both sides. This is about Namudagama Sandhi. So thank you all for joining. In the next class, we'll see 10th Vyanjana Sandhi. Okay, I'll end the class.